Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. Whatever the hell this is. I think it's homemade, huh? Looks nice. And we're at a car show again today at Franklin, Minnesota. It's 23rd of July, 2022. A couple ATVs over there. I'm gonna start on this side and then walk back to the other side. Huh. I see that every day. I've seen the Rolls Royce before in Chanhassen. I think it's got a suburban undercarriage, if I remember right. There he comes. That. And I go to this side. Well, there's three in it, I suppose, huh? Anyway, this is all street view. I'll talk to you later.